Hi guys, so in this video we are going to learn the very basic commands in Linux, okay? So let's see the commands one by one. The first command is ls. So what is this ls? This ls is representing list. It will list the contents of the folders. The syntax we have to type only ls, and after typing ls we can add -a or -l. -a is used to print all the files, even the hidden files also, and -l used to show the files in a list. Okay, like that you can see how many files or directories are there in the location. So next the command is mkdir. See, the mkdir represents make directory. This command creates a new directory. See, directory means folder. Okay, so by using this command mkdir, we can create a new folder or new directory. And the syntax is mkdir space the directory name. Okay, let's see the example. Mkdir space students means we are creating a directory named students. So let's see the next command. The next command is cat. See, we used mkdir to create a new folder, right? But how to create a new file? So for that we are using cat command. This command creates a new file with content. Means whenever you are creating a file with cat command, you have to give some contents over there. Okay, let's see the syntax. Cat greater than symbol and the file name. Okay, and example you can see that cat greater than file1. So file1 named file will be created. Okay, let's see the next command. The next command is touch. So I told you about cat, right? Whenever you are using cat command, you have to give some contents. But how to create some file without any content? I don't want to give any content over there, just I want to create that file. So for that we are using touch command. This touch command creates a new file without content. Okay, means blank file it can create. The syntax is touch and the file name. Okay, like touch file1. This file1 named blank file will be created. So let's see the next command, that is pwd. So what is this pwd command? Why we use this? This pwd command prints the current working directory with full path name from terminal. Means where we are working, in which directory we are working. To see that we can type pwd command. Okay, the syntax is the same, only pwd you have to type. Let's see these all commands in practically. Okay, so here I am in my Linux machine. Now I will show you the practical of those commands. Okay, so the first command was ls, right? So we are typing ls. Let's see, the files and the directories are printed here. So how will you define which one is file and which one is directory? See, these highlighted names are directory names. Okay, and the normal names are file names. Okay, see, means this desktop documents downloads, these are all directories, and this anaconda blank, these all are files. Okay, so like that we can define the files and the directories. Let's see if we want it in list format. So ls -l. Okay, see, the same thing came in list. Okay, so after that we are having so many hidden files also over here, but only by typing ls or ls-l the hidden files won't come. So to check the hidden files also we have command ls-a. Okay, a for all. So now see, so everything whichever is starting from dot, that is hidden file. So these hidden files also you can see by typing ls space -a. Okay, so now just clear the terminal. Now we'll see the next command. So I want to create a directory called students. Okay, so before that we'll see either students name directory is there or not. No students name directory is there. Okay, so I want to create the directory called students. So I have to type mkdir students. So let's hit enter. Now we'll see the ls. See, the students here, one directory has been created, right? So like that we can create the directories by using the mkdir command. Okay, so if I want to create multiple directories at a time, that also possible by typing mkdir. I'm giving target, after giving space I'm giving some exam, again after giving space result. So like that if I hit enter, See, this target will be one directory, this exam will be another directory, and the results will be another directory. So multiple directories we can create by giving space between them. Okay. So let's see ls. Now I have, see, students, results, targets, and exam. Okay. So like that we can create directories. So let's clear this terminal. Okay. The next command is cat. See, what is cat? See, up to now we have seen how to create the directory. Okay. And now we want to create some file. So for that we have to use the command cat and the greater than symbol one file name. So I'm giving file 1. So just hit enter. So it is asking to write something, right? We know, right? By using the cat command we can create the files with content. Okay. So here I am writing hi, how are you, and I'm coming out by typing Control C. Okay. So let's see ls command again. We have to check, right, what is there in this location. Either file 1 is created or not. So for that I'm typing ls. Now see the file 1. This is file, right? So that's why it is not highlighted. So file 1 has been created. Okay. Now I want to check this file 1. How to check? For checking, you just have to type cat and file name, file 1. Okay, no need of this greater than symbol. So now just hit enter and you will see what the contents in the file. Hi, how are you? Right? Whatever I have given while creating this file. Okay. So like this you can create the files. So let's see the another command, that is touch. We have seen the cat command, right? By using the cat command we can create the files with contents. But by using the touch command we can create the files without contents also. So just keep touch and give one file name, that is something like home. I'm giving. Okay. So I'm keep hitting enter. Let's see ls. See, this home file has been created. Let's see what is there in this file. Cat home. Nothing, right? Nothing is there. That's why it is not showing anything. So let's clear this one. Next command is pwd. So you know what is the use of pwd? So pwd will show you where you are, in which directory you are, what is your location, right? So just type pwd. So I am at the root now. Okay. So I just want to go to some another directory, like I'm going to cd download. Okay. So I came to another directory. Okay. Now I am typing pwd command. So let's see. So now it is showing your the root slash downloads, means the exact path it will show where you are. Okay. So this is the benefit of this pwd command. Okay. So the next comments we will see in the next video. Thank you.